All right, guys. Welcome back. It's been a while, right? Figure I'd make a new video for you guys. We're in profit really nicely on GBP, JPY, and USD CAD. This thing just stopped out, which we were not involved. And now, since we got two losses in a row here, we can get involved on the next one. All right. So first off, there, and put that back there. So that's the so we're still in this 4 hour structure. 4 hours, the blue line. Let me do my thing here. Pink will always be monthly. Purple will always be the weekly. The day will always be the orange, and the blue will always be the 4 hour structure. Right? I'm looking at the market structures, right? And I want them all aligned, basically. All right. Well, at least 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4 align, or all four of them align, even better. But 3 out of 4 align. We're looking to take the trade in direction, and we're looking at the 4 hour to be the aim, right? So wherever direction the four horsemen here agrees, right? Say the like for this, for example, here, this start here. So on the monthly, we got down structure. Weekly, we got up structure from this point A, point B, and then we got point C right here, and it's bouncing up. Um, Daily, we are down structure with the monthly, and 4 hour, we are down structure with the monthly and day chart, right? Ruling out the weekly, so we're looking for downward movement, and that's why we took that. You would took that trade, but I wouldn't because there's only one loss next to it after this nice little win up here. And as you can see, there's a bunch of add-ons there that won. But I can see here clearly that this thing is about to break the 4 hour structure. So I'll just wait for the 4 hour structure to break again once it finished breaking over there. But until then, yeah, waiting. Because we're still in, go to the 1 hour here. Okay, so 1 hour, we did break structure back up to the upside. So we're waiting for the 1 hour to break structure again. But like I said, 1 hour will always be red. So yeah, you'll be waiting for 1 hour break of structure, right? But of course, if that breaks the 4 hour, we're not looking for that anymore. That means the 4 hour will be up, the daily will be remaining down, the weekly will be up, and the monthly will be down. So that's two against two, and that's not what we want. So in order for anything to be solved, the 4 hour is going to have to break structure back again on this pair on AUD USD to get me interested in taking the next falling trade, which will be a winner after these two losses. Well, higher probabilities could be a winner. All right. So I'll be interested in taking that with 0.25% risk, whichever if it's a valid and everything fits my criteria, right? So this is GBP USD. I guess you can see here I got alerts all set. So if this 4 hour breaks structure down, right? You get this nice breaker structure down, then of course I'll be interested in taking this on the 1 hour, right? Somewhere on the 1 hour. That's simple. That's what we're looking for. But of course, if the monthly doesn't, if the 4 hour never breaks structure and we're still up structure remaining and break structure on the weekly, on a weekly break a structure, and we go into do nothing mode, because then nothing's really aligned on the higher time frames basically. So we, in order for us to be interested in this pair still, we need this thing to break structure and to continue further down. But till then, I'm hoping it will go up. We get a little pullback down, because we have a nice basically a Blue Jay setup going on, just like this one right here that we're currently in on AUD. I mean USD CAD. We have these 3 winners in a row. I was aiming for this one to be a loss, and it looks like we're doing a pretty good job. We just gotta get past this basically 30 pips mark over here, and we can get to that TP. But yeah, entries are up here. So, and then we also in I just added GBP USD for a Blue Jay. And like I said here, we're up structure right now, but lower time frames is down structure. We're gonna see what it wants to do, right? Until then, we ain't doing nothing. But this one, Blue Jay, as you can see, has been doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10 losses in a row, right? It's time for this thing to give up a win, right? So we're looking to aim here and go up. So basically, very simple. Aim here to go up, or aim to this level and then go up, hopefully to stop, right? Get something like that. And when we get that, I'm risking 0.5 here, 0.5 here. So that'd be so on a 400K account, that'd be $2,000 risk here, $2,000 risk here. If this goes up for a 1 to 3, that would be 246, right? And then this one, of course, would go, and that would be a 1-to-1 scenario. Since my stop loss wouldn't be here, it would be over here. So, and we're risking $2,000 here. So we got 6, and then we got $2,000 more. So we're looking for a 2% reward, risking 1% situation in total. And that's what we're doing here on this pair. Risking 1% to make 2%, and then or basically 0.5% if we never get tagged in here on the second entry. That's the only ways this thing will end. All right. So that's that on that one. Check my trades. Now, of course, on this chart, I have my add-ons only visible here. So here's an add-on that I didn't get involved because we didn't really have back data add-on on Euro. Kind of do on the other chart. I just go to here. Oh yes, let me but yeah, add-on is here. Add-on there on CAD. Hoping it will fail. All right. And that will just give us this win right here. That one fails. Give us this nice win right here. And then this is the other trade that we're in. Currently, we are in this add-on. I had two losses of add-ons here. So that's even giving me more confirmation to take this one. And then there's, of course, 2 wins here, 2 losses there. And we're looking for this one to even score. hopefully pull a win here, not drop too far down and just get this thing tagged. You feel me? But lovely entry, as you can see. A lovely entry. The entry is so good that it didn't tag in some of my other accounts, but it tagged in two. And one of them obviously is the 400K, right? So we got that on that. Back onto the original strategy, right? Waiting for this 4 hour to break structure on USD CHF. And of course, I see two losses in the row here, so I definitely would be interested in taking this next setup for 0.5% risk. So that's one thing. Here too on NZD USD, waiting for this break of structure up to the upside. As you can see, we had 1, 2, 3 losses in the row here on NZD CAD after this nice glorious win on add-ons here. Is 1, 2, and this one I would have got interested and took this one since there's 2, but of course it got stopped out, and then I was like, 3. So probabilities wise, this will be higher. And how much your dollar risk on this one? Let's see what I said, 0.5%. Okay. So we're going for it. And that's that pair. And then this pair, of course, this is the pair that we're in. Not in on this trade, but in on this trade. The add-on. This is the trade after. I'm just tracking it down, basically. Seeing if it hits this TP. And then basically we have another add-on situation. Yeah. So that's that on that. This one euro, haven't traded this thing in the longest. Still waiting for that 4 hour to break structure. Until then, we ain't doing nothing much, right? USD JPY, there's this setup that's here going on. Especially after this add-on. Now, yeah, it can, decide to go up. This is the add-on right here on this one. And this one I didn't take. I'm kind of doing the same thing I do with the original strategy with the add-ons. I'm starting to waiting for a loss first and then taking the next setup. And that would be a win, and then there would be a win in between there. Setting and also saying like, okay, we're pretty high up and the MAs are not really, falling. It's not like confidently here, nice and strong. Now we're weakening over here, and that's why we're getting trouble with this add-on, right? Bitcoin. Let me go back. I'm all over the place here. But yeah, I'm trading basically 3 different strategies. But the add-ons are basically just an extension of that. It's just an add-ons to strategy itself, you know. All right, so we got the daily. Daily structure is up there. 4-hour structure is right there. Right, waiting for this 4-hour break structure on Bitcoin, basically. And until then, it's just keep crashing down a little bit. And I'm telling you, these are times to buy. These are times to buy. 100%. Looking to go lower. But yes. Let's stay. Wait for excuse me. For the 1 hour to break structure still. Now the thing about this pair, we also pretty high up. As you can see on the monthly here, we're a little pretty far from the 20 MA. But on the weekly, it's a different story. That's what's keeping us up, really. And we're up structure too as well. That's the monthly. And day chart also up structure too as well. Very tiny there. And 4 hours also up structure as well. We're just right there. Yeah, it's just waiting for that 1 hour structure to break up. And that's also, there's add-on right here, which I was in because there was 2 add-ons that was lost here. I was in this one, and then it dropped down to here. I was like, I don't know what this thing. I don't know about this thing, and we're pretty high up. So, and that's why I just bailed. And then, of course, when I bailed, it went right into profit halfway, and then it dropped right back down. I was like, all right. Isn't it, so far it's looking good. I got out of there. And plus, if we have 3 winners, 3 losses here, chances are higher next add-on, we'd all get that nice W. And as in CHF, JPY do win. As you can see, we have nice add-ons winning here and here. 4 in a row there. And then we have 2. So think about it. You'll be still in profit. And then, of course, we're getting 3 now. All right. So that's that on that. Let's go back here. Yeah, this one just wait for a 4-hour structure break. Again, 4-hour structure to break. And yeah, waiting for that 4-hour structure to break too as well. But looks like it's going to give us a nice continuation, which I'm really hoping. And nice continuation will go right into our TP. All right. But yeah, that's all she wrote right here, man. That's it. That's the breakdown on what I'm trading and what I'll continue to do. All right. Dominate. Let's get it.